will require 2 or 3 people. The packet containing the screws and Allen key necessary for assembling the table can be found in the box with the socket panel and attached to the base. Take the socket panel out of the packaging and place the socket panel holder into the hole designed for it from the underside of the tabletop. Secure it to the tabletop using screws and a screwdriver. Then, snap the socket panel into place in the prepared holder. Use the plastic retaining clips at both ends to prevent slippage. Remove the screw packet from the base and insert the cable into the hole at the top. First, put it through the hole in the frame and then route it through the plastic cable tube. Pull it out of the base and position the base where the table is going to stand. Position the upper end of the cable so that it does not fall into the base. To protect the tabletop when connecting the table to the socket panel, place the polystyrene packaging blocks onto the base. Remove them one by one, being careful to place it in the hole accurately. Attach the tabletop with screws using the Allen key. We do not recommend moving the table after it has been assembled. For safety reasons, do not plug in the socket panel cable until fully assembled. Open the socket panel cover by pressing gently and slide it to the side during use to avoid damaging it. From then on, you can use all your table's